Hi guys, today we'll be preparing a very colorful veg recipe. It's mixed vegetables. You can use any sort of vegetables that you like. For that I have taken a wok and I have added vegetable oil. Any cooking oil that you use you can take. Now just have a look at the cuts of the vegetables. First I'm adding onions. So these are chopped in big dices. So you just divide the onion between two and then chop it like into 4 or into 6 cubes at the most, depending on how big your onion is. And we are going to cook this whole thing on medium to high heat. Make sure that your pan or wok or kadhai, whatever you're using, should be hot. Oil should be hot. Now I'm adding chopped garlic, roughly chopped. You don't have to use finely chopped or even paste. For this particular recipe we need roughly chopped garlic. It will add to the texture. Just you can see how I'm just breaking it down a bit, just so that the fragrance of garlic infuses in the hot oil. Add a little bit of salt. If you have been following my videos, you must be noticing that I always say that add little bit of salt in each step of cooking. Now I'm adding cauliflowers. It's very important to clean cauliflower florets very properly, because there is a possibility that there will be tiny insects inside the crevices of the florets. So make sure you clean it well. Now I'm adding carrots. Carrots I have sliced. These are thick slices. So basically the vegetables are quite chunky in this particular recipe. We are not going to cook for a long time. We want that crunch in the vegetable, and we are cooking it on high heat. Now I'm adding yellow bell peppers. This also I have diced. You can also use green bell peppers, red bell peppers. Now I'm adding soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. I'm using 2 tablespoons. If you have dark soy sauce with you, what you can do is use 1 tablespoon light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Now I'm adding oyster sauce. Please find the measurements of each ingredient in the description box. Mix it well. Now this is chili paste. I have green chili paste. If you find red chili paste and you're not able to get green chili paste, that will also do. You can use red color chili paste as well. Black pepper powder. This is chili flakes. If you do not find chili flakes, or it's probably not there at your home right when you want to cook this recipe, what you can do is you can take a handful of dry red chilies, which will always be there in every Indian home. Just grind it up a little bit and that will do. Now I just added little bit of vinegar, white vinegar. You can also use little bit of lime or lemon juice if you do not have vinegar right now when you're cooking. And finally I am adding little bit of green parts of spring onion. And by now my gas is already off. There is no flame, so no heat, and I just garnished it and left it like that. So it's a very dry recipe. It's very crunchy, crispy vegetable recipe, and even vegans can eat. There is no animal product in this recipe, and you can just have it like a bowl of salad or have it with fried rice or anything you love. I hope you like the recipe, and once again thank you for always liking my recipes, and I hope every time I come up with something new. And if you have any suggestions, do let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.